Morning, everybody. It is 8:54 on this Monday morning, the 29th of April, and this is your pre-opening comment. It's video number 2155. Kind of a mixed morning. Asia's up, Europe's a little sloppy, Japan is closed for a holiday. But looking at the pre-opening futures, at 8 o'clock, we were up 71 in the Dow, up 72 in the NASDAQ, and up 13 in the S&P. Right now, the Dow gave back about half of that, but has since recovered and is currently showing up about 74. So it made the round trip. Nasdaq is up about 85, and the S&P is now up about 14 and a half. So, not an overwhelming open, but still up. Uh, as far as the futures go, the grains are basically unchanged, some up a little, some down a little. I like the corn as a trade here. It's 449 and three quarters. That's down a quarter of a point. The soybeans are up about four and a half, and the wheat is down about four and a half. Crude oil is down about 56 at 83.30. It was as low as 82.96, as high as 83.91. So kind of a quiet morning. We have heating oil up barely. Same situation with gasoline. Nat gas is up about 2.5 cents at 194.60, and that's a roll forward to a new contract. So it didn't go from 170 to 198. It actually was just the carrying charge roll. Um, Gold is down about $7. Silver is down about a nickel. Copper up again, 461. That's up about 3.5 cents. Cotton up, coffee up, sugar up, cocoa actually down a little, about 0.6%, so nothing overwhelming. As I said, stocks are higher. The dollar is a little lower. Bitcoin is down about 1,500 at 62,810. And the 30-year is up a half a point. The 10-year, which is down about 4 basis points here at 463.2. Like I said, down about 4 basis points. Um, we had news this morning. Let's see. Uh, 1 second. Um, Apple up $4, upgraded to outperform from market perform at Bernstein. Tesla was up about 17, is now up about 21 on the news that they've secured the Chinese approval for the self-driving service. Meta Platforms, so Facebook, 439 and change, down four and a quarter, will be investigated by the EU over the handling of Russian disinformation. I don't know how that could possibly turn out to the good. Lululemon is down 5.5 at about 359, downgraded to equal weight at Barclays. Domino's Pizza, which had earnings beat by 18 cents. The stock is 520 and change, up $21. Uh, SoFi also beat, not by much, beat by a penny, beats on revenues, guides a little below consensus, but raises fiscal year 24 adjusted revenue and GAAP guidance. The stock is 803, up 16 or 2%. Paramount is 1252, up 61 cents. That's one that the shareholders are a little concerned, primarily because the deal isn't as sweet for them as it is for Sherry Redstone. So that's up about 5%. And they're talking about the CEO being out as early as today. Also, DCPH, Diphthera, is a deal being bought for 25.50 all cash. The stock is currently trading 25.03, and that's up 10.38, or about 60%. A little surprised about the Nvidia. It is up. It's 880, and it's up about 2.5. But there was a big show on 60 Minutes last night with Jensen Huang, and it played as very, very bullish. I actually thought we might be higher. PHG, which is Philips, also beat. The high there was 31.05. The last is 28.81, and that is up $7.78, or 37%. We have a lot of news this week, including Friday's monthly em- employment number. We have Amazon and Apple both reporting this week, along with Amgen, CVS, Starbucks, and a list of others. I'll try and keep up with those for everyone. Okay. As of right now, 25 minutes before the open, we have the S&P up 12 and a half, so giving back just a shade. The Dow up 71, also right in line with where it's been basically all morning, and up 75.20 in the Nasdaq. I'll be back later. I hope everyone had a good weekend, and be careful out there, folks.